We got your mouth bin, Chagienda Chakpol. Ye caller, we are going to learn 14 Dinka words and English word also. Number 1, emene. Emene. Emene mean now. Now. Number 2, pew. Pew. Pew in Dinka, it mean water. Water. Number 3, yich. Yich. Yich mean true. True. Number 4, luet. Luet or luet mean lies. Lies. Number 5, torch. 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 Yinba torch mean I will send you. To send. To send. Torch mean to send. To send someone. As an Iran. Luel. 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 Luel mean to say. To say. Yekudu luel da. Number 7, yakola. Yakola or yekola mean today. Today. Number 8, nyak. Nyak. Nyak mean tomorrow. 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 Number 9, warakol. Warakol. Warakol mean yesterday. Yesterday. Number 10, weu. Weu. Wa ewu. Weu. Weu mean money. Money. Money mean weu. Weu in Dinka. Number 11, geu. Geu. Ga ewu. Geu. Geu mean town. Town. Gendi chol awul. Gendi chol nyumlel mean awul town or nyumlel town. 12, pay. Pay. Pay mean mom. Mom. Team. Team. Ta ima. Team. Team mean tree. Tree. Number 14, knowledge. Knowledge. Knowledge mean God. God. Na I a la I cha. Knowledge mean God. Okay, let's make recaps. Emene mean now. Pew, water. Yich, true. Luet, lies. Torch, to send. Luel, to say. Yakola, today. Nyak, tomorrow. Warakol, yesterday. Weu, money. Geu, town. Pay, month. Team, tree. Knowledge, God. Okay guys, these are 14 Dinka word. More vocabularies are coming. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel to learn Dinka language with us. So if you are new, please turn on notifications so that when we upload the video, you can get them. Okay. Also, you like the video, you share the video to other social media like Facebook, WhatsApp, Instagram, TikTok, so that other people can get it, so that we learn as a large family of Dinka learners. Okay guys, bye bye. Dor nyali kewe kuyania. Binyali rel ke kewe kuyania. Bye. Oga ban yok. Damande bubane. We shakale. Ayan William Majak.